Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Avengers logo step by step. Start by choosing your final size and drawing a precise circle with a compass or template. Then mark the center and basic alignment lines so proportions stay accurate. Work lightly with the pencil so you can adjust shapes, and keep a reference image nearby to compare angles and spacing as you refine the initial outline for the emblem. Begin shaping the by mapping its main strokes relative to your center marks, paying attention to the slant of the legs and the position of the crossbar so the emblem feels balanced. Refine the terminals and inner negative space with measured adjustments. Erase unnecessary guidelines once the proportions feel right, and then darken the primary contours to lock in the iconic silhouette before moving on to detail and embellishment. Now focus on the characteristic gaps and cutouts that make the logo recognizable. Refine curves and junctions with an eraser and fine pencil to achieve clean transitions. Test small shading areas to suggest depth while keeping the emblem graphic. Step back to check overall balance and tweak proportions as needed, and finalize with ink or a darker pencil to make the logo pop against the background before coloring or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.